you guys doing today? We're at Stephen's Country Store and Butcher Shop in Mooresville, North Carolina. It's just a really cool old country store. Some neat antique artifacts in the yard, so take a look with me. It's just an old chuck wagon, it looks like they used to use in the pioneer days. Look at the gun. Just the soap and dish to clean up. Oh, look at this, the shaving equipment. This is where you clean up in the morning, and it's got a little mirror right here. Got your food and your drinking water bucket. Apples, flour, looks like meal. Oh, back here's the kitchen part. It says Cowboy Kitchen, American Chuck Wagon Association. Oh man, that is so neat. Look at all the spices. Of course, you got your whiskey back there, lard, cooking utensils, your lantern for when it gets dark. Oh, so you got your coffee pot. Let's go around the back side. Got your shovel. Got a, looks like a hoe. Hired this display for your event, parties, festivals. Got some tools in here. Really interesting. Let's go in the store and take a look around. As you step in, of course, like most of these stores, they've got jams and jellies. There's toe jam. I don't know what's in toe jam. And they've got all kinds of different imitation strawberry, vanilla, natural orange, coconut. They've got all kinds of popcorn, wild cherry. Y'all remember Whorehound candy? Cinnamon, wild cherry, Uncle Scott's root beer. And they've got a lot of olive oil and just snacks. You know, it's like wasabi peas, okra chips, cheese straws. Over here, it's got the country ham and side meat. Well, first let's look at all these grounds. There's corn grits, butter flakes, biscuit mix, and then they got a lot of meat. Country ham, I don't know if y'all have ever had country ham. It is really salty. I don't really care for it. I love ham, but not country ham. Oh, they've got chicken pie, chicken pot pie, Moravian style pie. Got a couple slushy machines in the corner. Oh, and there's some homemade food, like mac and cheese, cheddar soup. Looks like some homemade pies. That's strawberry, coconut. Of course, regular cheer wine and different things. We've actually got a butcher over there. Now they have Ashe County cheese from the Ashe County Cheese Factory in West Jefferson, North Carolina. So you can get it here. You can't get it anywhere else around here except for Ashe County and West Jefferson, which is up, you know, 321 up toward the mountains. I think I'm going to get some before I go. Liver pudding. Y'all know what liver pudding is? If you're from the South, you do. You fry it and eat it. I think it's like chicken toenails and eyebrows and beaks and all that stuff. I don't think I've never eaten it. We got all kinds of candy. Got a lot of little whatnots too. These cute little garden hose. Got bees on them. You know, little trowels to do your digging. They've got glass magnets. Just some little cute things. That's what you need. Know your Bible. That's what I need, right? These are cute little emblems to put in your yard. Just little sticks. Tie babies. Got yard flags. So say cheese. And live simply. Got some cards. And mugs, things like that. Handcrafted soy candles. Oh, some more yard art. Like I said, they got a ton of candy over here. You see it behind those folks. And they always do also over here have some homemade cakes, and it's, well, pies, breads. I want to get some banana bread. They don't have any today, though. But they do have chocolate chip cookies, brownies, lemon cake, sourdough bread, cinnamon bread, pecan pie, different kinds of ginger ale. Yeah. Well, I'm going to end up getting the Ashe County cheese. Have to do it. Hope you enjoyed the country store. I did. Love seeing the old antiques and a lot of unusual things. This is such a great drive on these back roads here in Mooresville. A lot to look at. Real pretty houses going up and old barns, and just so peaceful out in the country. You might see a cow or two. But I hope you have a blessed day until I see you again. Bye.